Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning, subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So congratulations to Gogo when she tied a knot yesterday. I think we've heard several rumors about the husband cheating, but this time around he has decided to do the right thing. Last week we were congratulating her for buying a car, and then today it's a wedding. And a lot of people were bashing her. A lot of negative things were said when she posted a car. People were saying she is busy buying cars with the money that she gets from lying to people. It's practically like she is stealing from us. And then others were saying it's not a brand new car. Look, there's no like a V-Class that comes with a number plate. And she also showed us a Porsche last year. And where is that Porsche? Not last year, but I can't remember when. But people are saying we can't see the Porsche now. Where is she? She's busy living a fake life. I don't know what you guys think. Does she live a fake life? Now my question is, are we not doing too much for the lady? Let's celebrate with her when she is winning. I wonder how Gogo Scotland is feeling right now. Gogo Maweni gave her several warnings on her marriage, and now it's over and Gogo Maweni is having a wedding. Girl is becoming successful in our eyes, whether people say it's a snakes or what. She is flourishing. I don't know what you guys think, but this is a good step for their love life. All I can say is she looks very happy, and then the husband looks very content with her. I don't know what you guys think. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed. See you in my next video.